Alright, it's 12/18, January 19, Friday, 2024, right? And he bought, what did he buy? He bought this here from China Energy Shop, which is 8 of those for $56.16 and 4 for $27.36 for a grand total of $74.90. Okay, from AliExpress, and that's all we're going to show there. Now we're going to change over here to his, don't show the address, just, yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay, open that thing up, man. Hurry up, we ain't got all day. I need to make sure that you got 8 and 4, which would be 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so. Yeah, you can rip that open with your hands now if you're strong, but who knows?
Yeah, because it's cold, man.
You're cold? Why are you cold, man?
Because the weather is cold.
Okay, well. What do you got there? You got a bunch of, come on, pull it out, count them, man. We got to count them. We got to know you got everything. Okay, so there's that. So how many we got? We got an empty box. Great, empty box. So now you got what? You've got, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got, looks like 4 here and 4 there. So that's 8. See that? There's 8.
Mm-hmm.
And there's that. And then you got the little charging cables. How many you get there?
Just one.
You got one of those. And did you get one with this one?
No.
Nope.
That's the one way.
I think that's the way you ordered it.
Uh-huh.
Came with one charging cable. So one charging cable and a whole bunch of these things. These are the those batteries there. All right. So we did what? 2 minutes. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. You enjoyed. You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Oh, good. He's happy. All right. So
thank you.
there you go. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.